everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular party time or game day appetizers. Every time I put them out, they disappear like boom. That is jalapeno poppers. But these are not just any jalapeno poppers. We're actually making bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. I'm really going to show you how super easy they are to make, but also how you can totally customize them with different fillings to make them pretty much however you want. So, hey, let me show you how to make them. Alright, so the thing about coring the peppers is you could keep them whole, like you can slice off the top and core them out with like a core or a knife, or like the bottom of a spoon works pretty well. But what I actually like to do is I like to make these boat style, so I'll cut it in half and then we'll scoop out the inside. So it's super easy to do. You just kind of get your knife in there, slice the pepper in half, and I leave the stem on when I do it this way. Kind of makes for a visual interest when you're eating it. And you can see the insides right here. You just scoop it out with a spoon. It's pretty much the easiest way. Boom. Seeds will fly, but that's all right. Done. Real simple. Get this going here. You know, it takes a few seconds and it's done. Nice and hollowed out. You can even save these innards if you want and like chop them up and put them into your mixture for added some extra heat to your poppers. But for the stuffing, I'm using different types of cheese. I got cream cheese because that's always really nice and melty, and some cheddar cheese and some seasonings. But you could totally mix it up. You can add in like cooked chorizo, some shredded cooked chicken. Pulled pork is actually really great in here, or just diced up pork. Bacon if you're not going to be wrapping in bacon. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can stuff a popper. But this here, I've got my softened cheesy mix, and you're going to go ahead and just scoop it inside the popper like so. Get it good and in there. You can stuff them as much as you want. I just get just to the edge, kind of evenly set. A little bit there. And if you wanted to, you could always put these back together and wrap them in bacon that way, and you'll get a whole popper. But I always like to do one piece of bacon per half pepper. It always depends on the size of your peppers too. Got my bacon. Just kind of start at the bottom. And I like to tuck it down underneath a little bit. And then I get my wrapping going all the way around. Boom. It's beautiful, isn't it? I like it. And I have a toothpick that I use to kind of fasten the bacon because it'll shrink a little bit when you're baking it. I've done these without the toothpicks and they're just fine, but this is just a precautionary thing. So get it in there. All right. Got one more. Get this baby wrapped up. And then we're going to be in bacon wrapped jalapeno popper heaven. I'm telling you right now. All right, just need to get a toothpick and then we're gonna bake these up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until the bacon is nice and crispy. It could take 20 minutes, but check it right around that time. It could take up to 30 minutes just to make sure the bacon is nice and crispy and just the way you like it. So let's put it in. And by the way, you can grill these as well, but that's a totally different recipe, so I will talk about that one another time. All right, well, guess what time it is? Party time. Dude, I love these.